All right, lean in. This isn't just another memorize 500 words lecture. This is how your brain actually learns language and why you've been fighting it your whole life. Think about this. When you were 1 year old, did you open a textbook? No. Did you study past tense? No. Did you cry when you said I goed in your language and your mom corrected you? Probably. Did you stop talking? Hell no. You didn't learn your language by studying grammar. You learned it by being soaked in it, like a sponge in a bathtub full of words. And that's called immersion. Hey, I'm Perry, and today we're hacking fluency without cracking a grammar book. Science breakdown. Your brain has something called Broca's area. It's like a tiny DJ booth for speech. It also has the Wernicke's area, the sound library. Together, they don't care about subject-verb agreements. They care about, did I hear this before? Did it make sense in context? Did it feel good to say? Your brain is a pattern-finding machine. It doesn't need rules. It needs repetition plus context. And it guesses the right one based on what it's heard. Real-life proof. A child hears, I ate an apple 200 times. Then hears, I drank milk. Then hears, I broke my toy. They don't know past tense, but they know that ed or weird changes like ate or broke mean happened before. Their brain says, oh, that's how you say happened. Got it. You learned your first language by living it, not by studying it. So why are you trying to learn English any differently? Forget words. Think chunks. Grammar says use the verb go plus ed, which is went. Real people, they don't even think about go or other verbs. They think, I went to the store. She called me last night. Can I get a coffee, please? I'm gonna be late. That's so weird. These aren't sentences you build. They're chunks. Prepackaged word bundles your brain stores like a Spotify playlist. Analogy. You don't make pizza from scratch every time you order. You just say, large pepperoni, thin crust. Your brain does the same. Fluency is having 1,000 chunks in your mental playlist. You don't need to know how the dough is made. You just need to know how to order it. Here's your new daily ritual. Do this today, 5 minutes max. Pick one 5-minute YouTube clip. Try unboxing a Lego set or kid reacts to first snow. Play it. Pause after every sentence. Say it out loud, exactly as you hear it. Don't translate, don't analyze, just mimic. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Wait, did that just happen? I can't believe it. Do this 3 times. You just installed 15 new chunks into your brain. No grammar, no stress, no notebook. Just sound, rhythm, and emotion. Your brain is a magician, and it's cheating. Here's the wild truth no one tells you. You can use grammar correctly without knowing what it's called. And that's exactly how I learned English. You hear, I've been working 50 times, long action. You hear, I worked 100 times, done and over. You hear, I'm working 200 times, right now. Your brain doesn't say, oh, let me play the present perfect continuous tense. It says, based on what I've heard before, this one feels it's still happening. This one feels finished, and this one feels now. That's natural acquisition. It's not magic, it's neuroscience. Real science. Studies show people who learn through immersion, listening, repeating, outperform grammar studiers in real conversations, even if they have studied 10 times longer. Why? Grammar study, slow, conscious, mental math. Immersion, fast, automatic, emotional muscle memory. Imagine trying to drive by reading the manual while turning the wheel. That's grammar study. Immersion, you just drive. The one metaphor that will stick forever. Learning English without grammar is like learning to dance by watching other people dance. You don't start with step left on beat 3, pivot 45 degrees, right arm at 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock, right? You watch, you copy, you step on toes, you laugh, you try again. Someone smiles and says, hey, do it this way. You do, you get better. After 100 dances, you're dancing. No manual needed. Grammar is the dance manual. It's useful if you're choreographing a ballet. But if you want to talk to people, laugh with friends, tell a joke, order tacos, or flirt, you don't need a manual. You need the dance floor. The magic routine. Do this daily. 10 minutes total. Yes, 10 minutes. That's all. Morning. Listen to a 2-minute English podcast while brushing teeth. Pick one with natural speech. Your brain absorbs a rhythm, intonation, pauses, even while you're half asleep. It's like subliminal language training. Lunch. Watch one funny TikTok or YouTube clip. Pause after every sentence. Say it out loud. Mimic the voice, the speed, the emotion. You're building chunks, not memorizing, replaying. Your brain treats this like a video game. Repeat, win, repeat. Afternoon. Whisper 3 things you did today in English. Even if you say, I eat pizza, I feel good. No correction needed. Just say it. This is active output. Your brain says, wait, I said that. I need to fix it next time. It self-corrects. Night. Pick one phrase you loved today. Write it on your mirror. Say it 5 times tomorrow morning. Make it your new inner voice. I'm gonna crush this. No big deal. Wait, really? These become your new thoughts. Your brain starts thinking in English. Bonus hack. When you hear a native speaker say something cool, pause, rewind, say it, then say it again. Then say it like you're a superhero. Your brain remembers emotion. Say it like you just won the lottery. It sticks. The hidden superpower. Shadowing. The genius move. This is the secret weapon of polyglots, interpreters, and actors. Shadowing is listening and speaking at the same time. How? Play a 30-second clip of native English speech. Press play. Speak along as closely as you can with the speaker. Match their speed. Match their tone. Match their pauses. Even their size. Why it works. Shadowing forces your mouth, your ears, and your brain to sync. It trains your motor cortex, the part that controls speech muscles, to move like a native speaker. After 2 weeks, your accent softens, your rhythm improves, and you start thinking in phrases, not words. Bonus. 3 real-life fluency triggers. The 5-second rule. When you hear a phrase you like, say it out loud within 5 seconds. If you wait longer, your brain forgets it. Catch it, repeat it, own it. The mirror trick. Every morning, say one chunk to your reflection. Smile. Pretend you're talking to a friend. Your brain thinks, oh, this is real. The wrong is right rule. If you say, I goed, and someone says, you mean went? Don't feel bad. Say, oh, went, got it, thanks. And say it 3 times later. Mistakes are data, not failures. Final word. The one that sticks. You didn't learn your first language by studying. You learned it by being alive in it. English isn't a subject, it's a world. And you don't need a passport. You just need to step in. So, step in. Listen, repeat, mess up, laugh, try again. And yes, you're already fluent. You just haven't noticed yet. So, are you ready to speak or waiting to feel ready?